Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to switch off our background data, or how to switch off data for any app. Sometimes there are lots of unnecessary ads showing in some apps like MX Player, or some apps that we don't want to let them use our data. So I will show you today how to turn off background data, and also any kind of data in the background or foreground. The app will not be able to use any kind of data, not your mobile data, not your Wi-Fi, and not Wi-Fi also. So let me begin the video. So for that I will have to go here, I'll have to go there, and then for that you'll see, you can see here that today 1.38 GB, this month 6.24 GB. You can see our internet uses. We can click here. If we click here, we can see, then we'll have to click to restrict data users. You can see that we can click here. After that we can see that you can see that there's a list of all the apps that I have, and you can see it is shown. It is you can see that it is shown mobile data and Wi-Fi data. There are two options. So you can see that I have already restricted some apps from using data, like MX Player, ShareIt, Vault, and WPS Office. These apps are showing irritating ads, so I have restricted them from using any kind of data. So by clicking on the tick marks there, like you can switch off data permission for any of your app. Like if I want to switch off data connection for Bangla Dictionary, Bikash, and Brave, I can switch off from here. You can see, and I can again switch on from here. And if I want to switch off Wi-Fi data for these apps, then I will have to click on Wi-Fi, and then I at the in the same process I can I can deselect these apps, and again I can select this app. If you deselect, like if there is a cross mark, let me show you. You can see that there is a cross mark beside Bangla Dictionary. That means Bangla Dictionary cannot use my Wi-Fi data. And here you can see there is a cross mark beside the MX Player. That means MX Player cannot use my mobile data. Now if you want to restrict background data, you have to click here. You can see this three dot here. You can click on this three dot, and you can see background connection. It is written here. You click on background connection, and see, you can see there is written one app cannot connect to the network in the background. That means I have already restricted Bolt from using my background data, so Bolt cannot use my use any kind of background data from my phone. So now if I want suppose Brave browser, I want the Brave browser not to use the background data, so I can deselect, I can click here. That means see, now Brave cannot use any kind of background data from my phone. If I click on Brave again, that means now you can see that Brave can use my background data. Again, see, I have switched off background data for Brave. Now you can see that two apps cannot connect to the background internet in the background. But though the icon is not showing there, but that is because that is because of the refreshing problem. If I switch on and come back again, then you will see the icon also. But I do not want Brave to switch. I do not want to switch off my background data for Brave. I will switch it on again and go back to the menu. So another way you can also access this page from from your security. You can see the icon security here, and from here, from the security, you have to go to where your data users. Yes, from data users you will see the same thing, restrict data users, and the same process again. So viewers, you can understand how to switch off your background data and foreground data for any kind of apps in your Xiaomi phone or any other phone.